Sentence structure and pronunciation for beginners. Number 6. Falls, floor, the cookie on. So floor is a noun, cookie is a noun, but the verb is falls, falls. So we can put cookie as the subject. Cookie, and then cookie is defined by the definite article. The cookie falls, and then we have on the floor. We have a phrase on the floor. So this is the sentence. The cookie falls on the floor. The cookie falls on the floor. So when you read this part, in order to pronounce S, say falls, falls, and then on. Falls on the floor. The cookie falls on the floor. The cookie falls on the floor. We have into the cookie pieces breaks. And then cookie is a noun, pieces is a noun. But the verb is breaks, which is third person singular. So breaks. And then since pieces is plural, it cannot be the subject. So here, the cookie is the subject. And then cookie is defined by the definite article. The cookie breaks. And break into, we have a phrasal verb, break into pieces, P-I-E-C-E-S. The cookie breaks into pieces. The cookie breaks into pieces, breaks into. So read this together, break, break, breaks, and then breaks into. The cookie breaks into pieces. So this one, pieces. The cookie breaks into pieces. The cookie breaks into pieces. The cookie breaks into pieces. Now we have 5 words. The picks she up cookie. And then she is the subjective case, subjective pronoun. And then picks. When we use pick, usually we use up together. It's a phrasal verb. She picks up the cookie. The cookie. She picks up the cookie. She picks up the cookie. And in order to pronounce this S sound, read this together as pick, picks, and up. Say picks up, picks up. She picks up the cookie. She picks up the cookie. To it kitchen takes the she. And then we have she, the subjective case, she. And the verb is takes. She takes what? After take, we usually need an object. She takes what? And then the only thing, kitchen and it, just like subject, object needs to be a noun. But look at this. If you put she takes kitchen or she takes it, so it is going to be better. She takes it. This is a cookie, a broken cookie. Okay, right? She takes it where? To the kitchen. Kitchen. She takes it to the kitchen. She takes it to the kitchen. Again, in order to pronounce this, read it together. She take. She takes and it. She takes it. She takes it to the kitchen. Kitchen. She takes it to the kitchen. Okay, today's last one is quite long. She, so we have a subject already, she. And then verb takes. She takes what? She takes, so after take, as I told you, we need an object. She takes package or cookie. So you don't take a packaged cookie. She takes a cookie. She takes a cookie and then out of the package. Out of the package. P-A-C-K-A-G-E. She takes a cookie out of the package. One more time. She takes a cookie out of the package. And we need to pronounce this, so read it together. She take. She takes. She takes a. She takes a cookie out of. Out. Out of. And this vowel, so when T comes between two vowels, it flaps. Out of. More like R here, out of. She takes a cookie out of the package. So this one, package, pack, package, 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 package. She takes a cookie out of the package. She takes a cookie out of the package.